Hi, I'm Tom Capoletti. I'm a professor at Sacramento City College. And we had to start this semester in the fall completely online. We're all in it to just do the best we can. But then I was thinking, what is the best use of our time with the Makerspace and with the Maker Fellows that we could maybe create something that's lasting? There's always been talk about gamifying education. So we thought there was an opportunity to build a virtual makerspace. Never to replace real people, but to give people the opportunity in kind of a fun, curious exploration where they would interact with headsets in a three-dimensional environment fully built by students and staff and see possibilities.
You need to travel to many distant lands and overcome many obstacles before you're worthy of 3D printing. Don't worry, I'll be with you every step of the way.
Alright, now you have 60 seconds to draw as much of this model as possible using your printhead. Ready? Go!
The potential for training and education, it blows your mind.
By creating an environment for students to try new things, and particularly technological things, this method of learning as you do it is indispensable in today's world.
One of the core messages when they're in the VR experience that we're creating will be some of these things we're talking about. And we have this opportunity now to do something.